Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a new workspace on monday.com website. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to our account, and after going to the account, as you can see, you will be able to see the plus icon here, and above the plus icon, as you can see, has a main workspace, and you will be able to see the three dot options here. So we need to click on the three dot option, and after clicking on it, as you can see, you will be able to see the add new workspace option here. So we have to click on the workspace. So let's click on it. And now we need to provide the name for the workspace. For example, I am going to write the video. Let's write the name for the video editors. And then simply we have to click on the add workspace. And after clicking on the add workspace, it will take few seconds in generating your workspace. As you can see, now it's done. If you want to add from a template, you have 0 boards in the workspace. If you want to add boards from templates, you can also do that. You simply need to hit add from templates, and the boards will be added. So in this way, you can create a new workspace on your monday.com website. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.